Hi, I'm Robert from Robert Callender Eyewear in Linlithgow. Pleased to meet you. Hope you're doing well today. We just got a big delivery in from Berlin, and I want to show you some of the things that we've got. IC Berlin is laser cut surgical steel frames with no screws whatsoever. In my opinion, they're some of the most comfortable eyewear in the world, and they're the easiest glasses to wear for people who are not full-time wearers, because you can shake them open, you can ping them open, you can put them on with one hand. They're super easy. This is one of the new frames that's just arrived. This is the Sully. I guess it's named after Tom in his film where he landed that plane in the Hudson. And this is one of the largest frames I've seen in years. So this is the new Alias, and that'll fit the biggest of guys. Our big rugby players are going to love that one. But I wanted to show you what we get when we receive IC Berlin. They come in this wonderful packaging, beautifully presented. There's a cardboard outer. We'll slide that off to reveal a very solid big size case. Within the case we have a drawstring bag, which also in itself acts as a cleaning cloth, and in there's a cleaning cloth too. And well, if you read that, you'll be the first person in the world that ever has since the editor. But a user guide, a cleaning cloth, hard case. And the grand unveil. This is the Stuart, and the Stuart is in blue flame, which is a marine blue, navy blue outer, and a wonderful fire orange on the inside. So absolutely no screws. The hinge is a split. It's two slots on a piece of steel, makes a natural spring, very flexible, incredibly comfortable. Looks something like that. So if you're interested, give us a ring, 01506 670 766, and we can book a time for you to come in and have a look at these. Thank you. Bye now.